Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save and manage project on Adobe Firefly. Saving and managing your work in Adobe Firefly developed by Adobe helps you keep your AI creations organized and easy to access later. Firefly automatically saves much of your work, but knowing how to manage it properly will make your workflow smoother. So first open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar typed on firefly.adobe.com and enter it. And Adobe Firefly often saves your generated images and designs in your account as a draft, and this means you usually do not need to manually click a save button while working. Or you can simply save it by downloading here. What you can do is you can go to this more icon here and you can save your work directly to your PC. Over here you can find the generated image previously. What you can do is you can also preview one of the image here, like double click on, and what you can do is you can click onto this download in the top, and the file will be saved to your device automatically, and this is useful for keeping offline copies as well. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.